Right, so just going to show you my SD card stopped working today, and I had some files that I wanted to get off it, and I tried a few things, and this is what worked here. This free software is called PhotoRec, and you can download it to search it online, and the website is cgsecurity.org, and then just go download, and it'll come up with different systems that you have to choose the right one for you, and then download it here to a file that I just had to extract, and then the program that you want to open here is called PhotoRec_win. Go ahead and open that up, and then just comes up with some stuff. It's like a, whatever you call it, and so what you want to do, see I got two options here. Go down the arrow key, I want to select my SD card, and then press enter, I believe, yep. And then I selected whole disk, and that seemed to work for me. Yeah, so that's the one I selected. Press enter again, and then yeah, I just did that one again. I don't really know, but it seemed to work. So I select other, and then it comes up with these different files to select, and to move, you can move up and down to change the file that you want it to go into. This is where the videos or photos will go, and I pressed just the top one, I believe, and when you decide which one you want to put it in, just press C. So yeah, now it's searching for files. Took about 40 minutes for mine. I'm going to stop it now because look, it's recovered one text file already, one JPG. But yeah, I'm going to stop it because I've already done it, so I'm going to go stop. Don't know how to press stop. I'll just close it off, I guess. And so yeah, the file saved here to my in the same file that the program's in, and here's all like the videos and photos it recovered. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.